area of combination of plane figures. Area of the figure is equal to area of rectangle plus 2 into area of semicircle. Area of the desired portion is equal to 3 upon 4 pi r1 square minus pi r2 square. Area of the desired portion is equal to pi r square minus a square. Example: in the given figure, find the area of the shaded portion ABCD, which is a square having sides of length 14 cm. Solution: area of the square ABCD is equal to 14 into 14 cm square is equal to 196 cm square. Diameter of each circle is equal to 14 cm upon 2 is equal to 7 cm. Hence, radius of each circle is equal to 7 upon 2 cm. Therefore, area of one circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 centimeter square is equal to 154 upon 4 centimeter square. Therefore, area of one circle is equal to 154 upon 4 centimeter square. Therefore, area of 4 circles is equal to 4 into 154 upon 4 is equal to 154 centimeter square. Thus, area of the shaded portion is equal to 196 minus 154 centimeter square is equal to 42 centimeter square.